Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and initiating the install. Check Python 3 version so you know what to replace. If Homebrew isn't installed, run the official install command to manage packages. It simplifies updates. Once Homebrew is ready, update its database with Brew Update and then run Brew Doctor to catch issues. Make sure to close editors or terminals that lock Python files. This prepares the system so the actual Python upgrade proceeds smoothly without file conflicts or path confusion. You'll now install and configure the new interpreter so your tools use it. Run brew install Python at 3.11 swap version as needed, which downloads compiled binaries and sets up site packages. Once installed, link that formula with BrewLink overwrite force Python at 3.11 to make Python 3 and pip 3 point to the new build. Then update your path in your shell profile so /opt/homebrew/bin appears first. This ensures terminals pick the Homebrew Python. Finally, restart the terminal so the changes finish by validating the upgrade and fixing any environment mismatches. Run Python 3 version and pip 3 version to confirm the active install. If your projects used virtual environments, you may need to recreate them with Python 3 mvenv and reinstall dependencies. Virtualenvs reference a specific interpreter path. If command conflicts persist, unlink older formulas with brew unlink Python at 3.x, then brew cleanup to remove stale files. If you still see errors, run Brew Doctor for diagnostics. It often tells you the exact path or permissions to fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.